Okay, we're at the Macau Palace. There's Lisboa right next to it, which is the replica of the Estoril, the first casino in Macau. Got a big zip line here, and you got Grand Lisboa Casino right here next to it. And what we're going to try to do is get into the Macau Palace. So let's see if we're successful. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're coming into the Macau Palace. There's a zip line, so I heard that it's open today, so we're gonna find out. And this is probably gonna be one of the first footage of it. There's people in it here already. And yeah, in the past I could come a little bit close, but I couldn't get in. It looks like now I can get in, so. This is a replica of the James Bond. You can see here. Mini levels. Grand Lisboa. I think that might be open as well. Oh, nice. This is real nice. Hello.
Today not open, only construction.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow open.
Tomorrow, okay. Thank you. Can I just film from here and then? Thank you. So it looks like tomorrow it's going to be the grand opening day, so we're just going to take a look at it from here. So it's closed right now, but tomorrow it'll be open. Mini levels, the best venue to go with the Lisboa. Got some people kind of hanging out already here. There's a zip line right there, goes all the way down that way. So yeah, that'll be open tomorrow, so we'll kind of take a closer look. So they got some all kinds of stuff all set up in this area, and yeah. So tomorrow we'll come by and check it out and get some more footage of this one. Okay, let's try to get a little bit closer so you get a little bit more detail. That's kind of cool right there, that little dragon thing. So it looks like we're gonna have some nice balcony parts, maybe some water. This is kind of amazing. This is the closest I've been able to get to this. So the fact that we're able to do this is pretty cool. Yeah, I wonder what this is gonna look like. So yeah, this is a replica of the James Bond one, and there's another one out in the ocean as well. And that one I believe is the one that was probably in the movie, I guess. Do that enter. Macau Palace. Or is it Royal Palace? Macau Palace? Royal Palace. Macau Palace? Royal Palace. Let's get a picture of this giant mural over here as well. So yeah, this is the Lisboa as well. Oh no, okay. So, that one, I'll just go that way. So he says I can't go that way, so we'll just go this way. So the security guy was just telling me that I can't go that way. But that's the Lisboa right there. And tomorrow all this stuff will be open, so hopefully we'll be able to come back tomorrow and try to film all this. But yeah, that's the first mural of the Estoril Casino, which is the first one in Macau before all these kind of took place. Hello. 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 Macau Palace. And there's Grand Lisboa Palace, there's Wind Palace, MGM is over there, and Grand Hyatt Hotel is over there. So we're right on the Cotai Strip, right in the middle of everything. Okay, so let's just end it right there.